Law of exponents and indices. Law of exponents. Exponents. Okay. Up to, even if you go with the higher grades also, this is the basic fundamental part of your mathematics. Okay. Whatever level you go, even if you go to the higher grades also, next university grades also, these are very, 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 very important and fundamental topics. Okay. Right. So what is the law of exponents means? Suppose if I write a function like this, x to the power of 2. X is said to be the base and 2 is said to be the exponent. Okay. X is called the base and 2 is the exponent. We'll also call it as an power. Sometimes we'll call it also as an index. Basically, what we'll call it as an exponent. Okay, right?
Yes.
Any function which we are writing in terms of a base and an exponents, then we are talking about the laws on these type of functions. That means, suppose you are writing y to the power of 3. This is a function which is having both power and base. Okay. Suppose you are writing like this, minus 1 by x whole to the power of 4. Yes, this is also a function having minus 1 by x as the base and power as 4.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose if I write like this, t to the power of negative 3. Yes, this is also a function with a t and power negative 3. Power is negative 3. Right? Okay.
Yes.
Now we will talk about the laws on this function. What are the laws on this function means? Suppose this is the first one. First of all, I will write down laws and we will do one by one. Okay. See, what are the law of indices are x power m by x power n is x to the power of m minus n. Do you hear previously?
Yes.
This is law of indices, right? Okay, right. Now tell me what is the x to the power of times of x power n?
X mn.
M plus n. Okay. When you are multiplying two functions means you have to add the powers. Right? Okay.
Yes.
Now x power m whole power n. Previously told na, that is correct. X to the power of mn. Okay. Right?
Yes.
Right. Now tell me y to the power of 2 whole to the power of 3 is?
Y6.
Y?
6.
Y power 6. Right. Suppose you are having y power 9 by y power 2 means?
9 minus 2.
Very good. Y to the power of? 9 minus 2.
7.
Y to the power of 7. Okay. Right. Correct. So 1 by x minus 4 by 1 by x minus 8 means?
1 over x minus 4 minus 8.
Minus 4 minus of minus 8. Isn't it?
Yes.
Your mind dividing, na? Dividing means automatically what happened? A power m, this one minus na? Minus of minus 8. Correct?
Yes.
That means 1 by x whole to the power of minus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 1 by x whole to the power of 4. Okay, right. I think you have idea about this one. Shall I skip this one? No need of, I think you have better idea about it, isn't it?
Yes.
Or shall I move with this same topic only? Your wish.
You can do this one so I can have a revision.
Okay, sure, like that. It's very fine. Okay. Now coming to this one, right? Okay, like this you are having. Now you're actually, these are the basic fundamental formulas. What type of problems you're having when you are referring your syllabus means, suppose I'm having like this. 2 power minus 3 by 2 to the power of 8 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Find the value of x. They will ask these type of questions. Okay. So first of
Yes.
all, what you know about this one, it is a power m by a power n, right? So write
Yes.
2 power minus 3 minus 8 is equal to 2 power x. Correct?
Yes.
2 power minus 11 is equal to 2 power x. Then how to find out the value of x means, see, write down here. When bases are equal, when bases are equal, powers are equal. Powers are equal. That means x is equal to negative 11. Here you are having the same base. Here you are having the same base. Correct? Then you can equate the powers. X is equal to negative 11. You can equate it. Okay. Suppose you are having like this. 2 to the power of 11 into 3 to the power of x. I mean, is equal to 3 power x means you should not write as x is equal to 11. Why? Why? Because the base of 11 and the base of x are not equal, right? Isn't it? So we should not write equate it as x is equal to 11. Clear, my dear? Am I
Yes.
going fast? Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to this one. Suppose you are having a 16 to the power of 2x is equal to 2 power 4x. What is the value of x? Find the value of x. Okay. How to do? See, I will write the 16 as 2 power 4. Agree?
Yes.
Why? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is equal to 16. Correct?
Yes.
So 2 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 2x is equal to 2 power 4x. Okay. Now, what do you understand from this one by the law of indices? How can we write 2 power as? A power m whole power n. A power m whole power n. You can write it as an a power m
Yes.
mn. Correct? That means 2 to the power of 4 whole power 2x means 2 power 8x. That is equal to 2 power 4x. Correct?
Yes.
Now what I told, when you are having the bases equal, the powers are equal. That means 8x is equal to 4x. Correct? Isn't it? That means 8x minus 4x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. That sounds. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Any doubt here?
Won't we minus 8 from 4?
They're having the same, na? On the both sides of the variables you are having. So what I will do, I will take minus 4x this side, minus 4x this side. Okay, same variables, no like terms. Like terms means we can easily add or subtract. So when I take it away 8x minus 4x, what you will get? 4x, right? 4x is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 0 means simply divided by 4 on both sides. I didn't write it by. Why? Because any variable, when you are equating it to 0, that value is always 0. 4x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 only. No need to discuss further. So that's why I wrote directly. Got it, my dear?
Yes.
Understood? Okay. We will do one more. 3 power 9 by 3 power 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 14x. What is the value of x? Will you try or shall I explain?
3 9 minus 2
Very good.
is equal to 3 14x.
Correct.
3 7
Very good.
is equal to 3 14x.
Okay.
And then 7 is equal to 14x.
Right.
And then 7 divided by 14.
X is equal to
2.